What's up, online shoppers? Let's be honest, there's something magical about a moonlight soak under the stars with somebody that you like anyways or love. It's a great way to unwind and relax at the end of the day. But sometimes that's not an option for us because the options are bank breakers. Let me tell you all about the Coleman SaluSpa inflatable hot tub. This is fantastic. It gives you the flexibility of an inflatable with the durability of a built-in hot tub, and you can program it all from an app on your phone. Now let's get started. Now for starters, setup of this awesome little hot tub is absolutely a breeze. You open the box, you inflate it with a pump, you fill it with water, you do a couple quick little twist connections, and you are ready to go. The digital control panel is intuitive, and I'm going to show you that in just a second, and it lets you set your temperature to a level you're comfortable with, but it will go all the way to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. It has 180 jets of pure air power that are relaxing and massaging when you're inside. I love that it bobbles up from the bottom so I can put my back up against the side of the hot tub and just let the jets get to work. Now this is super inviting and it's big too. It has an 85-inch diameter, holds almost 100 liters of water, and it has an easy to get in 28-inch height. Now this is going to accommodate up to 7 people, so on a chill night you can definitely turn on the jets, slip in, enjoy some beverages and some good times with your friends, or it can be great for solo flights or date night. This is built to last. It has the DuraPlus 3-layer construction that is designed to be 33% more resistant to punctures and 60% more resistant to stretching. Once you've got the water in, that's an awful lot of power, and this does a great job of retaining its shape over the years. This one here I have is a couple years old and it's still in awesome shape. Now what's kind of cool is that it does have freeze protection, so depending on where you live, you could actually leave this set up year round. Now I live in the north and we have harsh winters, so I usually keep this up between early spring like March and late fall like November. As soon as the harsh winter sets in, I take this down and put it away. I do love the convenience of having it up 9 months of the year. Enough of me talking from looking on the outside, let's look at the features. It's got a really nice cover here that keeps everything clean and free of dirt. All you have to do is just undo the latches and the cover comes off really easy. Now, this is a 2-part cover. You can connect this here, which is extra insulation, right inside this little skirt, but I like to keep them separate. Now I just fold it back here so that it's behind, like that. This is Energy Saver insulating top, which basically helps you to keep the heat in when the tub is not in use. It's inflatable. Now let's see what this looks like when it's turned on. I'm gonna give you a close-up of the bubbles here. There is the hot tub in use. You can see that it's got a ton of jet action, and you've got a really nice finish to the inside of the tub, and easy to hold handles if you have to move it when you're inflating it. And overall, this is just an awesome hot tub. This definitely brought affordable luxury to my backyard and turned my patio into a spa that I never imagined I could have. It's convenient. I can control it with an app on my phone, which I'm going to show you, just so you get an idea about what the SaluSpa app looks like. This is what it looks like when it's installed on your phone. You can control the temperature, you can turn on your AirJets, you can also turn on the filter. That noise you hear running in the background is the filter. You also have the option to schedule your heating and your filtration to run, which is pretty convenient and definitely a selling feature for this awesome inflatable hot tub. And it is absolutely relaxing. And if I want to tuck it away for the winter, or I want to take it off the deck and move it somewhere else, I just empty the water, deflate it, pick it up. It's about a 2-person job to just move it and set it up again. It's truly awesome. If you're looking for a convenient, wonderful backyard spa experience that doesn't break the bank and doesn't commit to long-term structures, this is the Coleman SaluSpa inflatable 7-person, absolutely awesome, and definitely a family favorite at my house.